Alright guys, so this morning we're going to show how to adjust the exhaust fan for your XLT hood. So if you're trying to balance a store, or if it's not quite capturing good enough and you need a little more airflow, I'm going to show you how to do that here. So you'll see when we turn a oven on at the screen, you'll see we get a 25 hertz signal up here. And you can see also our VFD up here is at 25 hertz. So with one oven on, that's what we're running at, is 25 hertz. So there's a couple of different ways to go about speeding this up. So the first way, we're going to go into factory tech mode. So you hold both of these buttons here. So the easiest way, the quickest way to speed it up is a little bit is to come in here to belt width, and let's tell it that it's a 38. So it was set for a 3255. We're going to set it for a 3855. And we're going to go all the way to the bottom. Go to done. So now you can see it changed our hertz reading from 25 hertz to 30. So you can also see our VFD followed along here, so it's also at 30 hertz. So you can see just real quick by changing just the belt width, we were able to go to 30 hertz. So we're going to go back into it. And the bigger you make the belt, the faster it will run. So we set it for a 38, but if you still need more than that, you could set it for like a 44-inch wide belt, and it would go up another 5 hertz. So there is another way to do it. That way is definitely the easiest and the quickest way to do it. But we also have this air balance screen here. So this is a screen that you would use if you wanted to make a real finite adjustment. Or let's say you've sped it up as much as you can, you still need a little more, you can go in here and you can actually get a little more out of it. So the reason I kind of keep moving around here is if you don't, the screen will kick you out. So you have to kind of keep moving, otherwise it'll kick you out. But so to adjust this one, you can see we're at. So this screen here, this is indicating the top oven, the middle oven, and the bottom oven. All right, so you can see here the default setting for the top oven by itself running is 30 hertz. You can see for the middle oven by itself is 40. So the X is indicating what oven is actually turned on, and this is telling you over here. And see, that's what I'm saying, it'll kick you out here. So let me go back into it. Okay, so again, yeah, this over here is just indicating the X will tell you what oven is running. This will tell you what the default is. This one will tell you what your adjustment is from the default. So to adjust that, we're going to press the enter. Now you can see that 0 is flashing. So if you want to speed it up, we're going to go up, say we're going to go up another 5 hertz. So then you're going to press enter to save that 5 hertz. Now if you want to adjust the middle oven, you have to have this one flashing as an adjustment and hold the enter. Now you see the whole line is flashing, so that'll allow you to go down to this line, press enter. Now we're going to press enter again to adjust that one. And then we can go, let's say with the middle one we want to go up 8 hertz. So then we're going to press enter to save that. Now press enter to get that. Now hold the enter to get the whole line flashing. Okay, now we want to go with just the bottom oven running. Let's say with the bottom one we want to go up actually 10 hertz. So with the line flashing here, you can scroll through all the oven combinations of running. So like I said, once you adjust what you want, you actually have to go through and adjust all of these combinations here. So you can see we're gonna back out of here, but so with the middle oven on by itself, we should get 48 hertz. So we're just gonna save that. We're gonna go to done. So you can see also we did get another 5 with the top one. So you can see our VFD followed along at 35 hertz. Now we're gonna turn that one off. We're gonna turn our middle one on. You see we got 48 hertz. 48 hertz. You can probably hear the exhaust fan also, it ramped up to 48 hertz. So again, and also on the flip side of that, if you needed to decrease the airflow some, you could use these exact same steps, just go the opposite of what I showed here. So again, that's how you adjust the fan setting through the controller here. If you do have any questions, don't hesitate to give us a call.